Hi friends, welcome back to Credible. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omar, and today I'll show you how to make exploded view animation in SolidWorks. These exploded views are helpful when you are creating 2D drawings. They show how your individual parts are assembled together. And here is my assembly. It is comprised of 7 to 8 parts, and you can download this assembly file from here, GrabCAD. This is my portfolio, and you can download this file for free. So this is my assembly, and you can see I have already done a motion study, so I'll create another motion study, and I'll click here, create a new motion study, and here we are in second motion study. So before doing that, I'll explode my geometry. So I'll go to here, explode view, click here, explode view, and I'll click first here this part, and on the y-axis, here my top axis is y-axis, not z-axis, and I'll drag this, and I'll click here 60, 70, I think 400, near 400. Okay, click done, and next is click this lid, and click again here, and okay, click done. Make sure to click this box, done. Okay, next is this part, and click downwards, and okay, click done. Next is this jug, and okay, click done. Next is this one, downwards, and up to here. Okay, done. Next is this one, downwards, and up to here. Click done, and we have two blades. This one is up, done, and this one is down. Okay, done. So we are done with this exploded view. Click OK, and now you'll go to here and animate collapse. So you can see the exploded view. You can save this, just cancel this, and we are in motion study. So we'll apply motor on the blade, and go to motor, click motor, and click here, right click, select other, and we'll click this, right, and okay. So now you can calculate. You see that these blades are rotating together. This is a sub-assembly which is comprised of 3 parts. Okay, now we need exploded view in this motion study. So I click here, animation wizard, and I will not rotate my model. So click here, explode, next, and the duration is 8 seconds, start time 5 seconds. You can see that start time will be 5 seconds because we have 5-second animation. So click finish, and now I need collapse as well. So click animation wizard again, and now I'll click here, collapse, click next, and duration will be 8 seconds, and start time it will be it will not be 5 seconds, because if I click here, so it will be started from here, so it will be 11, 12, 13 seconds. So I'll change it to 13 and click finish, and now you can calculate. You can see that animating and collapsing, and now it is collapsing, right? First rotating, then exploding, and then collapsing. Also I need some motion after the collapse, so I'll drag this button to here and now calculate. Now you can see that first the blades are rotating, and okay, I'm just playing one more time. The blades are rotating and now it is exploding. Still blades are rotating, and now it is collapsing. You can see that. And okay, well, I don't want these blades are rotating when it is exploding and collapsing, so I'll click right click here, place key, and also I will click right click here, place key. And now I don't want this motor to be rotated during collapsing and exploding, right? So right click somewhere here and click here off, because this key is the motor key. Just click here off, and now you can drag this to here and now calculate. Now you will see that blades will not rotate during animation and during collapse and explosion. As you can see that blades are stationary, which is fine, and blades will rotate after the collapse. You can see that. Okay, so we are done with this exported view, and now we'll export this to KeyShot for some realistic rendering. So I'll go to here, I'll go to tools, and I'm using KeyShot add-in, and I'm using KeyShot 9, and I'll send this model to KeyShot for rendering. And KeyShot will ask to export this animation, and I'll click yes, and now it will take some time to open KeyShot. Just cancel this, and KeyShot is importing our geometry from SolidWorks. Now you can see that. Just rotating my model. Okay. Click M for materials and click space bar for this. Now we'll apply some materials to this model, to this blender. And first right click, move model, not move part, because it is comprised of so many parts. Move model and move upward, and you'll click this box, snap to ground. Okay, now we'll click M for materials, and now we'll apply some material. Let's say for jug we have plastic. I'll search plastic polystyrene and carbonate. Okay, this one for the jug, right? And next is for this top lid, hard shiny plastic. I've already returned these. Hard shiny plastic. Okay, I think this one. Okay, next is we also want this to here, so we drag this to this one as well. Click no, no linkage. Okay, next is we need clear shiny white plastic for this top side. This one, and clear shiny white plastic this one for this lid. Okay. Next is we'll apply some black material here, and this will be Axalta paint gunmetal, this one, and we'll apply this to here, right? Okay. We want some material on this side and this side, and just right click here and click split object surfaces, and we want different material on this emboss and on this side. So click here and hold control key and click here split surface and apply. So we'll create different material on this side, and this material will be snowstone. So I'll search for that snowstone and on this. Okay. Next is we have to apply some materials behind this. So let's go to here and let's hide some okay. Now we can apply some materials. Okay, we need some, let's say, chrome material on this side. Okay, and let's say we can hide this, and okay, this body will be also of hard shiny plastic gray. This one, click no. Okay, now unhide all these because we have applied materials, and okay. So next is we'll go to here window, and we'll go to here animation. We have already import our animation, so you can play. Now you can see that. I'm fixing my camera for the animation, and you can see that. We'll go to here, and you can close this ground shadow, and right. So we are ready for exploded view animation with realistic rendering from KeyShot, and you can set your FPS from here, and we'll go to here render, and we are not rendering image, so click here animation, and this animation will be comprised of 25 seconds with 751 frames, and you can select your directory, animated GIF or MP4, so I'll click here MP4. We want frames output, so you can check this box. I'll not. Okay, so video output is ready, and we'll click here render. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions related to this tutorial, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting videos. Thank you.